Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox while listening to music. First, launch your favorite music application, like Spotify or Apple Music, and start your playlist. Then, open Roblox. It's crucial to adjust the volume levels for both applications. You can do this through your computer's sound mixer or the individual app settings. For the best experience, I highly recommend using headphones. They truly enhance both the game audio and your music, creating a more immersive environment for your gameplay. To optimize your audio, access your device's sound mixer, often found in your operating system's sound settings. Here, you can precisely control the volume of Roblox and your music player independently. If the game sounds are too distracting, you can often lower them within Roblox's in-game settings. Don't be afraid to experiment with various music genres. Some players find instrumental music perfect for focus, while others prefer upbeat tracks for action-packed games. Find what works best for your gaming style. Encountering sound issues can be frustrating, but there are simple fixes. First, verify that your audio output device, whether it's headphones or speakers, is correctly selected in your system's sound settings. If the problem persists, try closing and reopening both Roblox and your music application. Sometimes, a quick restart resolves minor glitches. Additionally, ensure your audio drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can often cause unexpected sound problems, so a quick update can make a significant difference. For an even smoother experience, consider using browser-based music players, which can sometimes integrate more seamlessly with your gaming setup. Creating custom playlists specifically for different Roblox game types can also elevate your enjoyment. Imagine a chill playlist for building games and an energetic one for obbies. If you have a second monitor, use it to display your music player for easy control. Alternatively, utilize your operating system's split-screen feature to manage both applications side by side, enhancing your multitasking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.